Can't take this truck anywhere. All right, I think this time we're out.
After these two.
Hey guys, look what we got here. Oh, this one's perfectly straight. Like, look how perfectly straight it is. I'd love to have this. I wouldn't have had the problem with the end caps. I could just laid a piece of plywood right on top of it. Super wide end parts. Could have made really awesome compartments. This is a way better layout. The new ones are, yeah, they're way nicer. These are what I was thinking right here. A hollow body, the hollow kayak. I can do things with this one. Like, I saw this thing and I had vision. I saw what it could be. I'm really thinking about taking this one. What do you guys think? This one, what is this? This is the H10. We could also do this one, but I don't know how much we could really do with this one. Ascend D10. I'm really digging this H10 right here. Like, I'm seeing a lot of things I can do with it, like pretty useful things. Like, I could do things to this. Yes, I could. We'll see. I could also maybe not do things. Also not bad, the 10T, the one, what is this? Ascend 10T, okay. So, very odd names. The 10T, we could at least spruce that thing up. We could do some things to that. It looks, I don't know how stable it is, but it looks capable. It looks like it's got some things going on. What's it got going on here? Lexi, Dominic, where'd you go? Just fucking laugh at me, those pricks. A little storage. What's this? Huh. It's a 10T. This is a little bit better. That's not that bright ass white. You think? Look a little cleaner. Huh. This is the 12T. This is more my style. 12 feet. The more feet for me, the better. Personally, kind of feeling the 12T. 12T. Not very wide. Probably pretty sketch. But whatever. I mean, what I like about these, the other kayaks, is the molds are pretty straight and like streamlined and symmetrically sound to where it's not a whole lot of extra stuff I mean, what can you really do with it? Some of these kayaks out there are like, what can you do? The 12 is also a really big kayak, so I don't know if people are gonna like the monsters. Look at the H12. So epic. Look at how big that beast is. Now that is a kayak I could do things with. Yes, the H10 and the H12, but really the H12 looks like very capable. Probably can't tow through the water for dog doo-doo, but this is pretty, very nice. There's also these, which seem to be built much more for speed. Probably a lot faster on the water. The 128X, or really the 133X, looks extremely capable as far as like plastic boats go. It's even got like a mount for a fish finder. Like, that's kind of cheating. It would just save me from having to make one. Pretty serious. A little compartment there. It's elevated dry storage. Yeah, scuppers. Oh, here. You're just looking here. See what it is. Just a bare hole inside. So this one is a little bit more tedious because it's, you know, this one's already pre-built and it's already rotomolded, and how it is how it is. So it's not like terribly a blank canvas, but it's big enough to where we could do things. And of course we have the notorious Pond Prowler, only this is the 10-foot. Much better, much more capable. Check it out. I will say, versus the Bass Raider, which I'm glad is not here right now, this is much more symmetrically sound than the Bass Raider. Like, it's got a straight edge. Not like the 8. The 8 is super perfect. Like, You wouldn't even have to do a whole lot to make the 8 awesome. But this one, really, we just did an 8. I want a much... If the 8 was as capable as it was, then imagine the 10. What we could do with the 10. Look how the 10 is. It just looks awesome. It looks ready. It looks ready to do things. We could do I don't know. Also, what I really liked and I noticed, which was not present with the other one, which was like thermal molded together. This one's stapled together. We could pull those staples and pull the hole apart. And then re-retrofit the foam in there, because you know you got that crappy styrofoam in there. You know it's in there. We can get it out, stick PEEP foam in there, do things, and we can get rid of these rivets. Right? Get rid of those rivets. Well, I mean, we can drill them out. What I'm saying, we can put them back in. But they're just basic rivets with rivet washers in the bottom, holding the seam together. And that's really super loose, man. Is that legit how it is? That's kind of sketch. Yeah, you know what? Does this thing just lift up like nothing? How much does this thing weigh? Lifts up pretty good. Doesn't seem too heavy. Much more capable, 500 pounds. 3.5 horse motor, max weight 35 pounds. 535 pounds person's motors and gear. We could be way under that, way under that, way under that. Sportsman 10. It doesn't say how much it weighs. Probably about 100, 150 pounds. For sure. At least 100 pounds. More likely like 150. Look at that crap. We need... Okay, I don't actually think they're usable by the trailer. They're externally connected, but I was starting to trip out that was like some trailer mod. How sick would that be? I know they make something like this. They've got to make something like this, but this is for sure just an external decoration to bring light to the nitro boat. I guess this is a better look at the H series, the H10, which you kind of just sit in very loosely. Just kind of very loosely sit in there. And the H12, which you also kind of just very loosely sit in there. The bigger thing is that it's just a hollow blank canvas. The H series kayak sends. I don't know if everybody likes this ends. I'm not really on the kayak game to really know what people like, but I like it. The 12 also seems wider. Like maybe not a full 36 inches, maybe 28, 29 at the base. Probably a little sketch to be on, but maybe also, maybe not. Let me see underneath. And you can actually see it in here. Pontoonish, weighing out to try and gain more pressure. So it's likely not terribly unstable. The 12 does look nice. The camo does look nice. The gray looks nice. The camo's kind of cool. Less stuff to get dirty.